All right. Please, if you are joining me in this live broadcast, don't forget to like the video, okay? Share it to your group. Share it to groups of your choice. If you are watching from Facebook, share it as well. Like the video, comment. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Facebook as well. We are here this hour to go through some of the information at hand. We are not going to waste much of time, so we are not going to waste any time. You can see the title is about the unity of Igbo people. Our brother that started this movement, Namen TV. So some of you know him. Some of you know him. He have done a very wonderful work in terms of uniting Igbo people around Eastern Nigerian, even some people in Kogi as well. So he has been traveling from one place to another, but there's something that made me to decide to react or to comment on this issue about uniting Igbos in Riverline area, Igbos in Delta, Igbos in Port Harcourt, Igbos in you name them, in Kogi. There's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. I just want you to follow me as we go through this broadcast. It is very, very important that you do so. Whether you are Igbo or not, join me, okay? You are not going to regret it. You are not going to regret it. So we will be discussing other things as well. So this is not the only thing that we are going to discuss this evening. Yeah, my sister is here, Diana. Good evening to you. Good evening to you. Good evening to you. One of us. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you for your time. You are always supportive. Thank you for everything. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So please, guys, we are not going to waste much time. Like I told us before in the broadcast that we had before, I told you that the voice that you will hear in this video, not everything, just part of it. Some of them are in Igbo language. So if you don't understand Igbo, I will try my best to put you through. Okay, I will try my best to explain to you what they are saying. It's not the very long video, but we need to hear it from them. Let me. So let's go straight to the video. Let's go straight. I will start with this one. Okay. This is the program that they had about unifying Igbo. So some of you who are interested in the program of Namen TV, of course, you must have seen this video. You must have seen it. So let's bring it together. No. Let's. Okay.
Azoka Uka Etumudo, Onye Banke in Edo State.
Listen.
Etumudo, Onye Banke. Bekwezono Azoka Uka Etumudo, Onye Banke in Edo State, Onye Bukago.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Look at his name, Azoka, Mr. Azoka, from a banke in Edo State. You see, this is one of the good work of Mazen Americano. Like people like me, and I believe many people of my generation, okay, don't know that there's an Igbo race, or should I say Igbo speaking people or tribe in Edo State. If you ask me to bet money, I will. To be honest, I would bet it that you cannot find such in Edo State. without wasting much of your time, I don't want to say much. Let's hear this person first, then we continue. Before I can make any comment on that, let's hear him.
Well, unify Igbo, we all want to unify. My sister is here, my brother is here. And a banker.
A banker.
They marginalize us and split us for different states. If you go to like Edo State, Ekon, they speak Igbo. Ekon, okay. Ndị Ekon was what a banker. Ndị Uganda was what a banker. And asụsụ who can lecture laso. Iru kwana, iru leke asabawan. Yahosome, ndị laso some alihu. The same language in the Igbo lecture aso. Dodo ni hen la rione. Ahozele onye banke. Always in half Igbo go.
Yeah.
Because that will be some people, their mind will not be at rest. Say, how will you call me half Igbo? Because some people will say this one is not really Igbo. This one is fake Igbo. I'm pleading this medium for everybody. But please, when you see banker man, recognize him as a full Igbo person.
He made a very vital point here. I am also one of the people that he's talking to because I do use that kind of word, half Igbo, half this, half that. It's wrong. To be honest, it is wrong. If you understand Igbo language, what he said here, you don't need an interpreter. I understood everything he said here, even better than some villages in today's 5 states or 5 states they're considered to be Igbo area only. You understand what I mean? So we have some people, some villages that when they talk, I will struggle to understand. But this our brother says something very, very important here. That when you see any banker man, don't tell him that he's half Igbo. That is half Igbo. That when you say that, they'll feel a kind of not complete or not welcomed, which is true. Which is true, because that's what the purpose of creating them to those states is to shrink the Igbo nation. And you, what is the word to use? You that claim that you are full-blooded Igbo, that your Igbo is original and authentic to compare their own, you are actually helping the people who want to divide you. You are giving them reasons to divide you the more. And by so doing, you are provoking the people that are supposed to unite together with, which is actually, biologically, they are your brother. Yes, Excellence, what you guys see you and Diana, 2 of you are here in the comment section. We just started, and I hope that others will comment as well, so that we know who is live with us. Hi, my brother, you are doing well. May God bless you, my dear. Thanks. God bless you, Excellence, what you do. May God bless you and reward you for your assistance, for your support. It's very, very good. Thank you so much. So we are going straight to the other clip that I want to share with you. This guy have established the point that I want everybody to go with. Even if you do not understand any other thing in this live broadcast, please, as an Igbo man, retrieve from calling people like Igbo people. You say that they're half Igbo, so they are not fully Igbo. So what made them half? Because they carved them out they carved them out and put them with another ethnic group and nicknamed them that they're the group, that they're what they are not. Normally I've heard about the bank, but I was thinking that it's in Delta State. I don't even know that it's in Edo State. Wow, that is huge. That is huge. Anyway, let's continue. So let's listen to this our brother also. He is from Anambra State.
Dominance. So far with the 1 naira, but we're going to go Senegal, we're going to go Mali, we're going to go to why if they're back, I'll not going to get paper.
So let's pause the music. Let's pause the music. So what the short clip you heard, he will let me not explain because he have already started. Let's go back. Let's go back. Wait. I want to start from the beginning so that you will know everything about him, where he come from. Okay. From Anambra State.
The international coordinator, Association of Indigenes worldwide. Apollo is indeed the Republic of Guinea.
Is anybody in the Republic of Guinea?
This program, I'm fully assent. Now watch, I'm if one of my brother, I meet Gonna the other time. Yes, may invite. That's I want to remember to read one day. Yes. Yes. So I can have one. If you know, I need to look here longest time ago. Actually, this program won't be about that. In fact, if I never very long time. Angel Convention, just like the Sipa Poliabo Indigenous Peoples Convention, MLNA City Council, and Mississauga, Nakuru, Canada. I got the convention. One year boy was special guest of one of the former American Attorney General, Deputy Attorney General, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, international lawyer. Bruce Fenn, yes, yeah, about special guest. So, what would the local Basa Lefa, Lefa on that? This program is where there, one day association, I personally,
Please, guys, I want you to listen to this story that this our brother is saying here. There's something I want us to pick from it. Okay, it is very, very important. Just pay attention and hear what you have to say.
Observer status. Even in Nigeria today, our organization, I will arrive at 2 months. I have an engineer that today, second chicken, but I'm going to do it. I don't get my equal friend. Equal, I want to answer the Igbo do. So the cars I and there's I know Igbo na so Messi and I need. I will leave person. I think I was I follow Madam Kevin. So you go and make an worry. So if any book now, this program won't overall some mark no, this program now to because this morning somebody posted somebody that disrupt this one. No one ever such a thing expect because now
just listen.
Nigeria. The whole world, my Americans, my Europeans, no one of the talk and Igbo get together. Because if most of European countries today we face in our name. And I never been no matter. Oh yeah, the people that go to through him, what I can say communities, through him, that's why I people was my wife of my everything. Through him,
the same thing with me.
Connected to through him, connected to anyone in television, and this our brother. So I don't know if you know so even na talk I need everything about. Opera source I be for the internet. You would one in for there. One in a Makefa and about. Man, most of them buy in a good job. Makekura unit. A lot of people now go job. Maki fega potania. Mado ne ready to face execution. But why care as well? Mado ne ready. Abana mo na get. Obologun wa ka onyo obo na face. Umaro onye is ready to execution now. Onya look. If any people was ali go na go no. Once na join wine na delta or na rivers can we can connect you to no outside southeast. Onye na today onye la. Yes, only like I'm not today. So I believe that you're to go back to Melo. And this is no only like, and we go family in adult, and they go connected to the other. So every night for that time, we go can know. I'm going to see that I in a family house in Sabeba. So when I go, we don't need family. Now, if I don't know better, who no messy for that, no. Or can success with still get what I go to who no go for the next conference if Foga resolved. Because I got long Melojuku Memorial.
Listen.
Emily and Frankfurt. They would just organize the one on a SN Jan. They organize. I can represent the one on the Association of the and one at Frankfurt. Sicilian and Frankfurt, of course, if I respect, because they're Sicilian, Monday Bini, Monday worry, Monday open a blue petition, but then they will not go to problem, and people try to dominate everybody. And Oculus were a very big problem because if I was here, Monday was see Holland, Monday was see Luxembourg, Monday was see, then I have a blue moon, my advice. So you can see that place here, without in Frankfurt, it's a one on Italian so you also big offense. You know, but our brother Dr. Watibu Prince, Nyawana champion for Council of Igbo States in America. On astounding Virginia. Every year I got Igbo village. Don't Nyawa in charge of that Igbo village. Oh no, where back. Nyawa today we headed me to the whole Nigeria. Because no, when you open and make unite and the whole world in affairs.
My brother, I see you, Armstrong. Welcome.
My very good friend, Dr. Ijama, saying that now, other fun ways, if we can, oh man, I won't go in. Because, because not the close to us, and other fun ways, if we can, massive wealth in Nigeria, but then Russian hand, before we Russian hand, through the because the farmer and the ama worker or the Naka Britain. And not through Britain, the farmer see benefit. Why I can't transfer in Canada here? Get look is there, no expect, now even now the Canada work. Because the problem I will know, or if yes, no problem. And not found about the solution. Now, for the problem, look what the solution. So, and make it only open up the other. Make good man, make out of good man. No one the other, but you might ask come out to the it's improvement. And we can people them expect can make an stadium. Make them expect can make anything. That convention I had in Mr. Toronto. I am the road. I am wrong, but you are going to man, after Kaimetsilia, the Speaker of Ontario House of Assembly, with Jamaican Canadian, Mendy would invite nights, one personal house. How more people got the order that day? So, if I had a family member, who would not say that? On a apple, why you look? Okay, get the gabata put in the opposite Gobonia, opposite Gobonia. Not even ọnwụnwa anwalụ ndị ọzọ ya na ịnwa ụmụ because unu maalụ na ego egwu agaala erika.
Yes.
Tupu anyị nọfụ ebe a na anyị na-eme ọ na-ata anyị mgbe a ga-eburu bulion van nyabata ebe a si gị kedu ebe a ga-apa aka inwe ike na-asụzi gị Igbo na-asụ Igbo oyibo. Yes. So problem anyị nwere bụ the temptation na-efolo anyị na-eji good intention from the beginning mana ebe obubi ọ metaba mkpụrụ efuzie ndị ahụ ọ na-anụ okwu n'obi fa na-anachi ya azụ ụmụ dịfa na-akpọ midnight call akpọba those midnight call ndị igwe bụ unu ndị na-asụ anya ndị na-erespect ndị niile na-asọpụrụ akpọbago ebe oge nọ na-emekọta na-asaba ọkwa asaba akpọ gị n'aka my brother biko kedu ka anyị ga-esi ilụkọta ebe ahụ wee na-ekede ya otu wee na-agwa gị ifu uru rapụ na ya nọ na nwere ike onye akpọta na polisi
Erin, I see you.
anyị malụgodo ife na so ife a bụ ife anyị nọ n'ime for a very long time. Yes, I'm a member of the cabinet of Eze Chukwuemeka Eze Akadiobi since 2014 today. So if somebody people are in a fully open order, all like that in a more I get the money for them there. I get the money for them. So animal wound, Kisianike, I want to know that diaspora. I want people to a bit free. Now it's a bit about who know what in Nigeria. Who not all free like that. Whenever we put a line of why never free. Indeed, why in a papa up and deep when I buy him back. Because he made an over gathering before I put up one government no one day Biafra data. That he get Jimalo. Never when he met the Bobako, he found out we have no Biafra. And he put up Biafra, he took Amadisa, put on Amadisa, Guinea had Senegal had in fact, you can hear in Senegal, Nigeria. Get it from Masalo, in fact, a plugin. Naifo when is the Nani with the rule of the need was in the full and nature. Kafane maintain this dominance. So far with the one naira, but we're going to never Senegal.
Exactly.
So that is what was the impact. Now, one night moving one acre. Now, I'm going to and now I'm going to at my place. Yes, I can walk up. The more boy I play. The back I was spelling there, my colleague, what was the impact. Now, one night one acre. Now I'm going to and now I'm going at my place. Yes, I can walk up. The more boy I play. The back I was spelling there, my colleague up where I is the room. I was in the two. To see any what go to Namagado to for security reasons. If you don't have bomb on internet in Agatha, open on Amaro, open on bomb on internet, on a gathering park. So go to the internet. Jilinia can have bomb to say. I want my focus. Now, Igbo unity and the book. One day, one day, I get to the great and I practice. That one, I can
okay, have you seen the reason why? Wait. Have you seen the reason why I told us that sometimes when you don't want to, there are some videos that some people that want to talk about what they're doing, the activities, but you will learn from what is happening from that place. Like this Igbo unity that the men TV is doing, I like it, but I don't follow much about it. I don't pay much attention. It's just that one of my somebody that I followed on Twitter liked this video. He did not even share. It's just I got a kind of notification from that. Then I decided to pay attention to the video. That's why I was able to listen to the video and to know what they're talking about. Now, I did not regret, because everything he said here is actually what is a kind of a lecture I learned a lot from this. Most of us don't know that Igbo people are facing a very, very, very strong enmity. People don't like you, they don't like Igbos because of what this brother said here. What they are benefiting from you, what they are benefiting from Igbos. Imagine what he said that in Germany they host, I think, is it anniversary or something like that, or remembrance of Ujuk or something like that in Germany. It was like a carnival because different Igbo cultural group from other part of European countries were on attendance. And some of them came with their own cultural dance, masquerade, and all that. You know how Igbo people do that thing. Other Nigerians, like what he said, Bini people, Ijo people, not Ijo, he said Wari people. Other people that lives in Europe, they were uncomfortable. Not that they stopped them from the business, not that they cost hold up for them, but seeing you with this kind of activities, they feel intimidated. In another man's land, not in another man's land. And the white people that they were doing those things in their land, they don't have any problem with that. But a fellow black person see it as a big problem. Now I know why I have not seen any Ghanaian, Senegalese, Togolese, Cameroonian, name them. No, I have not seen any of the media or broadcaster or any social media influencer from those places that kind of, saying something or following activity of Biafran in all sincerity. What they do, they will turn their eyes, they do not see anything that is happening about Biafrans, they don't know anything about it. Okay, but only that Bobrisky, quarrel with anybody, they carry it in their platform, they are discussing it. The reason is not because they are dragging back, land with anybody. No, but because the hatred is there, and that brings me to what this guy. Let me bring this video. I played it before, but just hold on what I just said now. That the hatred is everywhere. Hatred of Indigo. It did not end in Nigeria. So for you to know why other ethnic majority of other groups that make up Nigeria, majority of them don't really like Biafran or Igbos at all. The reason is not because our people are bad, no. The reason is not because our people are evil, no. The reason is not because we hate other people, no. But because of who you are. They don't feel comfortable with that. They think that to give you that freedom and to give you space is actually a threat to their own existence. Now, having said that, pay attention to what this guy here. I played this video before, like I said, but I want you to listen to it again. I want you to learn something from what I said now and compare it with what this guy will say here. Before I play it, let me try and explain something to you. Here, you will hear this guy where you hear when he said that what we are doing, what Biafrans are doing, like PM, trying to, stop security agencies from buying our people, from doing what they normally do, Operation Python dance or crocodile dance, sending our youth, pushing them to swim in the gutter and all that. That doing all the stopping them is actually making the whole world to not to see the evil of Nigeria. I hope you understand what I hope you understand what I said. What he said is that stopping Nigerian government or Nigerian army from doing what they normally do to our youth and our people, which is humiliation, intimidation, torture, and all that. That by so doing, you are blocking other international communities from seeing or to know what Nigerian government is made of. That you should just hold your hand, let them torture you, so that you are passed. That's the way to him, or that's the best way to pass message to international community, to the United Nations, for the world to see how evil and rotten Nigeria is. But one thing he don't want to, pay attention is that the whole world know that thing that you want them to know. They know it, but they prefer not to talk and allow you to show yourself. Okay. Now listen to the yes, Armstrong said then go hate tire. Nah, jealousy. Yes, they go hate tire, but we have to, unite ourselves. That is how to end that hatred. And this old soldier guy that was happy when PM, yes, he's the one. Now this is old video. It's not a new video. This is old one, okay? But I wanted to hear what he said here.
All this nobody can they listen now, they can. If you don't listen now, their election, this, that. Who told you that? Who told you that? Ihe na trouble you see get the face of internationally. Can draw their attention. Can you know why you go see Haji in Nigeria then? Can you go kiri. Ndana ana fosi Haji in Nigerian government in there. No Haji in Mexico Haras.
Did you hear that? Do you hear that? They no longer see the evil of Nigerian government. What they see now is what you do to stop them, and that means you are giving yourself a bad name. That is the message he wants to pass here. But the truth of the matter is that those people that he want to see the evil of Nigerian government, they know. No matter how long you want them to see, no matter how long you want Nigerian government to torture you for them to see that you are being tortured, you are doing. They will never pay attention to you because you are not meant to be listened to. To them, whatever that happened to you, the best way to respond to you is to turn blind eyes, pretend that you did not see it, let it continue. Because allowing you all to come for your rescue is actually going to affect them and their own progress. That is what this our brother that I played the video that I played before now, what he said. And if you reason very, very well, you find out that what that thing that he said is nothing but the truth. Ask yourself, what have you done that warrant everybody to hate Igbo people? What is that? The man said that he's a Igbo is it Igbo a kind of leader of Igbo, is an Igbo in Guinea. Okay, but according to him, each time they gather to host anything Igbo related, they follow Igbo who hate Biafra, who actually don't want Biafra, who claim they are Igbos but they don't want Igbo freedom, thinking that they want to unite, they want to further ahead, because we still have that element in us. It will not go out very soon. So they are the one that will go to the people of Guinea and report to them that this group is Biafran. So it have now come to the government of the country. They are not seeing everything about the activities of Igbo people as pro-Biafran. They want everything that it has to do with Igbo to stop. Not that these are for black African, no, not white people. So they are benefiting, including Ghana. You hear that Nigeria is supplying power supply to the Niger Republic. That all those things that you hear supplying and sending to them, it cannot be possible without Igbo nation, Igbo land. That's just a fact. Why is it that you are being hated in Nigeria? They say you cannot be president, you cannot be part, they cannot integrate you to their system according to the corrupt system they have, they call government. They don't want you to partake on that. They will just want you to be sidelined forever. Then you ask them that, okay, I accept that I'm a failure. I accept that I am weak. I accept that I don't have what it takes to stand on my feet. I accept that without you, I cannot feed. But now allow me to go and feed myself. Let me learn how to cultivate and feed myself. They said no. Allow me to have my own country. They said no. Allow me to be part of you. They said no. So what do they want? become slave. That's all. So if you want to become slave, then of course you are highly welcome. But don't question, because slaves don't question what their master doing. You understand? So you have to obey. You have to obey. You have to obey anything they said, anything they throw to you, accept and welcome it. The hatred of Indigo can only be solved. The hatred of other people, the hatred they have against Igbo people, can only be stopped or solved by Igbo people. You have to avoid all this backbiter. I want to say my brother. I want that thing is the only way. That's the one of the powerful instruments they're using against our people. This guy is one of the DOS and the morons in DOS that is full of lies, envy, jealousy, hatred, have eaten into his life. I don't even know about his whereabouts. Some people say that he's blind, some people say that he's this, he's that. I don't know what is happening to him. Hatred is, we cannot we cannot stop people from being a hater. You understand? But one thing in life is that whatever you think about other people, somehow will still get back at you, because as long as that person is doing is doing that thing that is not doing that thing that you say that he's doing, you yourself need to think twice. He normally pray against Samuel by using this what do they call it? Alligator pepper. In Igbo tradition, alligator pepper is one of the powerful instruments to bless people, to lake us at the same time. You can use it to bless and you can use it to lake us. So every now and then he uses it to say some one or two things against PM. He thinks he's saying it against PM, but after saying it, after 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, nothing happened. And one thing we are told about us that alligator pepper is that if you use it, that word is not just, it will not just go like that. It's either it happen positively or happen negatively. So that's what traditionalists believe in Igbo land. So I don't know about you. Maybe you have a different faith about it, but that's okay. So the guy, I don't want to play all the video, okay? Okay, some of you may want to hear that what he said. I don't think so. I don't think I played it before. So just let us forget about it. But I picked it, that place where he said that what you are doing is, kind of telling other international community or any other group, any other people that you are actually an aggressor. You are trying to bring problem to Nigeria, not Nigeria giving you problem. He forgot that those people also know what our people have been through. One of it, like what they said, if Nigeria is a country that is a decent and where rule of law, is existing, Nnamdi will not even spend 1 week, 1 day in the court of law or in DSS or whatever. Because one is that Nigerian government have never answered or explained to the world what Nigerian army were doing in Master Mokano's house that made him to flee. Do you understand? Nobody. If you have such explanation, maybe you have heard them where they explain it. You can bring it up for us. Like me, I have not seen. I have not come across anywhere written or oral, whatever means, where they explain what reason why Nigerian army decided to go to Master Mokano's house unprovoked. I am in my house with my family. All of a sudden, soldiers invaded. And not just they went there to ask questions. They buy, a lot of people. Evidently, 28 people they buy there is not hidden. But the government have never give any explanation until today. And our fellow Igbo brother don't see it as a problem. You have to respect Nigerian government. Who are you to question, authority? Who are you to question security agencies? And they forgot that the government that can do this kind of thing, we can also do it again tomorrow. And what makes you think that somehow in future that they're not going to repeat the same thing again that they tried to do in Mazangano's house, or what they have done. They did it in Mazangano's house because people lost their lives there. The only thing that saved Mazangano is that his God is alive, his spirit is alert. If not, tell me, a not a military personnel went there, Kolo shooting. Their presence was well noticed. If you go to the house, you can see how the bullets, the catapult and the gravel penetrate the wall and the windows and everything on attempt to buy him. And after buying him, you just go to court and speak grammar. The person is no more. That's the only thing they wanted to do. After all, they will go to court, go to the National Court of Law, do this. The thing is that, is he alive or dead? That is what they tried. But all of a sudden, every IPOB member, all the Igbo Ohanese, everybody see it as nothing. That it is normal. What have it been that they succeeded? What, God forbid, if they have succeeded, what do you think the Igbo people would have done? Nothing. Just calm down. Our governors are meeting the president in social day. We are setting a panel of inquiry. There will be an investigation. There will be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years ago. Highest. Anytime you remember what happened, you are a Juga. But it has happened. It has happened. A sensible human being, what a sensible human being is supposed to do is that after seeing what they did, you do everything necessary to make sure that there will not be another future occurrence. There will not be future occurrence of such nonsense. And how can you do that? Protect your land. Stop them from moving from one place, because too much of movement in our places is what leads to that, because they have free gateway to do anything, to penetrate. And the Mazangano's lawyer, who witnessed all these things, is here telling you that
I nearly issued a rejoinder on 16th of March 2023, detailing the activities of Simon Ekpa and Group.
On 16th of March 2023, detailing the activity of Simon Ekpa. To who? To the same security agency that was in Mazangano's house, trying to buy him, trying to take him out. He's the lead counselor of the same Mazangano, who had all the evidence, everything that happened in the Mazangano's house. He have every right to access his house, to make it, as a lawyer, to do investigation, to know what he's supposed to know, to question the Nigerian government who sent those military personnel to Mazangano house. On what purpose? Why do they go there? What? Maybe some people may say, okay, they're going to their barrack. Maybe they missed the road. They don't know. Maybe there was this kind of cloud, rain is want to fall, and they couldn't see properly. They were driving to their barrack, and they mistakenly, moved to Mazangano, the road that leads to Mazangano's house, and before you know it, they landed in Mazangano's compound. Okay, thinking that they're in their barrack. So what the soldiers normally do in the barrack? Do they normally shoot anyhow in the barrack? No, they don't do that. So if they were in Mazangano's compound thinking that they have arrived in their barrack, why are they shooting everything they see and five people? And until today, no remorse, no regret, no explanation whatsoever. Those guys that buy there, nobody want to talk about it. It is normal. After all, they are not Mazangano, right? Okay. What if they try to buy again and it happen to be the person that will hit you bad? So sometimes we need to be putting things into consideration. We are not, like I said, I don't support any violence, but anything that will stop violence is what I support. I'm not against the Nigerian military, like to buy them. No, I'm not saying that. But to stop them from buying others is what I say. Yes, it's good. You don't buy people for buying because you are monopoly of gun. You put on khaki and all. It doesn't work that way. A human being is a human being. The video that Ikenga just made few days ago that is trending, where he said, "You bloody civilian, you bloody," when they are benefiting, they don't want to remember the repercussion of what they are doing. They always focus on that thing that they want to end now. After they are saying in the radio Biafra that we are going to give your number out, we are going to give you out, which they did. And after doing those things, what next? What happened? So I just want us to think deep about the disunity in Igbo land. And if you are part of the people who claim that you like good things, yes, your one of your brothers, a fellow Igbo brother, is your problem, and the only way to solve that problem that you have with the person is to buy the person. You are wrong. You are wrong, because that's not the solution. People that hate you are more numerous, and you cannot succeed. You cannot progress with the kind of number of hatred they are showing to you. Dana said he is now reaping the fruit of his evil against the PMs and Monepa. Now, someone showed him last week what he is passing through. Oh, during now and how he looks like. I have not seen his recent picture, to be honest. I don't know how he looks, but some people say that he have, some kind of challenges, health challenges or something like that, which I don't know about it. I don't know. I don't know. So, my people, let us not waste much of our time in something that we know that we can avert. We can stop it on time and move forward. But that's why I said one of the most difficult tasks to do is to defend Igbo people, to fight for Igbo people. It is one of the most difficult work anybody can embark on. Anybody that is doing it diligently and putting his time, honest, and everything, you should give that person you know, a support. You should support that person with anything in you. It is very, very important that you do so, because it is not easy to support or to, back somebody who don't even know who is helping him. Even a dog, when you are feeding a dog will recognize your presence and will be, shaking his tail in appreciation. But some of our people don't. They are ready to bite the finger that fed them. They are ready to bite it off, which is very, very bad. Very, very bad. They are calling PM names because of money. PM stop them from cashing out, in the name of freedom fighting, or freedom, in the name of Russian freedom, or whatever. But thank God that man is not God. Man is not God. So we are going to move to another thing that we have here. We're going to move. I'm trying to bring another video from this Igwe. What Igwe said, but the video is hanging. I don't know why. What is going on there? But let me see. The system is requesting for me to refresh. Just hang on. Let me see what I can do about it. Let's see what I can do about it. Okay. While waiting for that, let me share with you what PM shared about Shetima, the current vice president of the country. Okay. So some of you who are like this guy that played his video that said that he had to show international community how bad Nigeria is on whatever they're doing and all that. This is Shetima, head of terrorists within with his boys. Okay, with his boys, Nigerian vice president. This is not old video. This one is new one. If I'm not mistaken, let's see. this shouldn't be an old one. I don't think so. This is Shetima.
My brother, Shetima.
So that is a vice president for you. Vice president, not a vice president. You know, where they made the video is in hideout of his boys. You know that he went to the hideout with DSS. I think there's a way PM related to that, which that's what I'm looking for. I want to share that. Let me see if I can succeed in getting PM's reaction to this post. Let me see if I can get it. Just hold on a bit. Okay. Here we are. The same video, but I want you to read with me what PM said about them. He said the Ndogbonigwe, Nigerian vice president, okay, elect with terrorists with Ndogbonigwe, Shetima, that's the vice president, is the founder of Boko Haram and Israel. Okay, here he visited them with DSS in their hideouts. He also, let me open this. Hold on. He also brought a gift of Miron. Do that when you ask question. He will tell you they are nomadic. Do that when you ask question. Okay. He will, well, let me show you. Okay. He will tell you they are nomadic Fulani. These are their jihadist field bias. Okay. Look at it. From PM, he posted, he reacted to the same video. So this is the DSS officer. DSS officer. Our people are busy chasing cloud, whereas they are busy doing the needful, making sure that the people are, advancing in taking your land. And the problem they have is what you, as a Southeasterner, is actually, doing everything possible to bring their problem out for them to strike. It's not as if they strike, you will do something. No. You will just be a victim just like them. Just like other people. And if you talk, they say, why would you do that? The intel coming from the terrorist Nigerian army, according to PM, only for PM, is that Nigerian terrorist government army are sending 2 suicide bombers to Finland to look for Salmonella. I laugh. I laugh at them. Okay, I laugh at them. You have proven to be a terrorist state, and we are patiently waiting for you. I am more closer to you than you have ever imagined. I challenge you both to fly to Finland with explosive and see what will happen to you. The month of April is here. Come to Finland and see what will happen. Go and ask those who tried it last year. You will all be captured even before you enter Finland. Before declaration of before declaration will be Biafra declaration will be on 2nd December 2024, and no amount of threats will stop it. As you are planning against Simon Ekpa and Biafrans, we are planning our defense too. We hold on to this mantle until declaration and beyond. I will be the end of the evil and terrorist Nigerian states. That is PM response to them. Okay, that is response to them. So, guys, I know some of you are tired from you come back from work and you need to rest, but allow me to complete this, please. Okay. Now, they often say that Southeast are facing problem, economic problem, challenges today because of some and different government in Israel. But last time I checked, to construct roads and the constant power supply and even clean water, running water, is not a Simon Ekpa's job. It's not different government in Israel job. At the moment, you claim that you are governor, you are the owner of the country, you are the owner of everything. You make and suck the resources of the people and return nothing. This is a road that connects Enugu State and Anambra State. Expressway, highway, my people. Look at it. Okay, let me read the headline first. In Enugu, Enugu and Onitsha Expressway. Okay, IPOB member are wicked. They are bringing hardship before they're bringing hardship because of sit at home. Meanwhile, the people who left this road, okay, like this, are the one accusing IPB of bringing hardship. Hypocrisy in the highest order. Hypocrisy at the highest order. They can say anything to make you look foolish, but at the same time, they are the one that looks stupid. Look at, you can see the road. This is Enugu, Onitsha. Enugu and Onitsha Expressway, the road that connects these two states. Look at it. That's what PM posted. Unbelievable. Abra the best. I see you. I see you, my brother. Thank you for your time. Thank you. How are you? How was your day? I know it's evening there. How was your day? How was your activities today? I hope everything is all right. Okay. You came late. We are about to close the program. So, guys, we are not supporting PM because we support that maybe some of you who think he's a evil man and all that. You are wrong. We are supporting him because we know that he's not an evil man. He's not the one behind the insecurity in Nigeria. Just like the post of Kan Kakano, that international committee need to investigate, okay, Nigerian government about the insecurity in Southeast. But nobody will pay attention to that because they themselves know why what they're doing is not hidden. It is not hidden. So, guys, thank you so much for your time. We are going to draw the curtain close now. We will live again tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Have a wonderful night. See you tomorrow. Before you go, please hit the like button if you have not. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching from Facebook, please do the needful, share the video, follow the page. Have a wonderful night, guys. Bye bye, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.